Hi everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can tie this beautiful double braided pattern. Let's get started. To begin, attach 2 cords to your dowel rod with a lark's head knot. Gently loosen up those knots so we can slide our 3rd cord right through the lark's head underneath the dowel rod. Then just pull that back tight to secure everything into place. Now we're going to take the cord on the far left and right, send them behind the cords in the middle, and form a loop by just crossing that left cord over the right. Now I'm going to kind of separate those middle cords so that I have a nice loop right in the center. And I'm going to take the 2 cords that are directly in the middle, twist them behind to go up and around and through the middle loop. Now I'm going to take each of the outer middle cords, and the right middle cord is going to come behind and around to go through the right loop. Then the left middle cord comes behind and around to go through the left loop. Then I'm just going to take those outer cords and give them a nice gentle tug to tighten everything up while also pulling on the middle cords to just keep everything smooth and neat. Just like that. And now I repeat. Okay, so once again, those outer cords are going to go behind to form a loop by crossing the left over the right. I kind of like to separate those middle cords so I see a nice well-defined loop here right in the center, where I'm going to send both middle cords behind and around and through the middle loop. Now the right middle cord comes behind and around to go through the right loop. And the left middle cord goes behind and around to come up through the left side of the loop. Give those outer cords a nice gentle tug to tighten up the knot while also pulling on the center cords to smooth and secure. And repeat. There we go. This is what your double braided pattern will look like once you have tied a few rows. You can keep repeating this pattern over and over again until you have reached the desired length. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.